Hi viewers, I'm beauty therapist Vasundhara. Today my model is Tendril. Today what we are going to do is a normal skincare routine. What everyone can follow at home. It's a vitamin C based product and it's from the company Blue Essentials. It's really amazing. That is why her skin is also so good. She's been using it regularly. Today we are going to show you how to use it at home. Just dip your fingers in water. So I'm going to give you the face wash first. So this is the face wash which I'm giving her first. Just a few drops will do, Tendril. You just have to dip your fingers inside and dot it all over the face. I'll show you the mirror. Gently give rotary movements. Gently give rotary movements. Is it feeling fresh?
Yeah.
It's completely made with amla, which is pure vitamin C, and you have to leave it for a minute or two and then wash your face. You can see the collagen really boost up on the skin. You feel so fresh throughout the day. So this is the first step. This is how you have to do. Just do it in rotary movements for a minute or so. Leave it for a minute and then wipe off. Okay, now that she is applied, now she has to wipe it off. After a minute or so, you can take a wet tissue and just wipe it off. Gently wipe off your face. This whole routine has to be followed at night time before going to bed. You can first wash your face with the face wash. Use a soft cotton cloth to wipe off your face. All the makeup, grime, dead skin, everything will come out with this face wash. It's an excellent face wash. You all must try. Okay. Now we go on to the second step. The second step is just to take out the powder from this capsule. It is pure vitamin C powder. Just take out the powder from the capsule. You will be having about 2 grams of powder. There will be about 2 grams of powder, to which you have to add the vitamin C serum. So the serum is so nourishing. It's completely made of amla extract and the powder also is from amla. So I just take 1 or 2 pumps or a little more than that. Just mix the two and she has to apply it all over her face. If she wants for the neck, we can mix a little more. So just use this all over your face. Yeah. Apply it on the usual areas where you get pigmentation or tanning. Usually on the forehead, on the cheeks area and around the mouth area. It gets absorbed very easily into the skin and it nourishes the skin so well, and it is suitable for all skin types. It's not just for oily skin or for aging skin. It is suitable for all skin types. You can see how all the vitamin C serum and powder have just gone into her skin. We'll have to wait for half an hour and then see. So now the third step is the night cream or the moisturizing night cream. It is so good, it's so brightening and it's so moisturizing. Also it keeps the skin very silky. So I'm just going to give her a little bit of this for her to use. 2 or 3 pumps just for the entire face and neck. You can just take a little and start applying. I have been personally using this product for some time now. My clients are very happy. It is so suitable for all skin types, young skin as well as older skins. And for older people, we can really see a lot of difference. You can see the face becoming very tight and soft also. So everyone can use, and it's very useful for people who have pigmentation problems. So even in 10 days, I'm seeing a whole lot of difference on the face. So those of you who have a hyperpigmentation problem or who have lines and wrinkles cropping up, please start using it. So as you're applying, this is how it will be. Wait for some time and keep applying more. You can do on the neck area also. The whole process takes just 5 minutes of your time. 5 minutes for the face wash and then 5 minutes for the serum, and then you'll have to wait for half an hour, then apply this. So maybe within 1 hour's time you can have a beautiful routine for your skin, and you will see that your skin is really glowing. Do this at least half an hour before going to bed, because when you just apply and go to bed, everything will go to the bed, so nothing will be on your skin. So let it get into your skin and then you go and lie down, so that your skin is getting all the benefit of this vitamin C cream. How do you feel after doing this routine, Tendril?
My skin feels really healthy and radiant. Like there's a glow naturally coming
Yeah.
with like the herbal products. Right?
Yeah, I can
so
also
I think
see
it's
that.
very safe for the skin also.
Yeah.
So I feel really amazing. Just like a very glass-looking skin. Yeah.
So lovely. Thank you. Thanks a lot. This routine isn't complete without using the sun protection cream the following day. Every morning when you go out or even when you're cooking, please use the sunscreen lotion, which is SPF 30. And this is suitable for all skin type because it is matte finish. It's not greasy and it's not difficult to use. So all of you can use this. Don't forget the night routine of those 3 products which I showed you. And the next day, wash your face, and before you go out, or have a bath, and before you go out, use the sunscreen on all the exposed areas. It's really amazing. You should try this also.